students, today we will do chapter number 6 of EVS, that is Ria's journey. Okay, in this chapter we are having two friends named Ria and Jia. Both are very excited because they are going for a trip from train to Vapi. Okay, Ria is going to her uncle's house and Jia is going to Daman. But till Vapi they are going together only. So both the families are very happy and both the friends are also very happy. So Ria father decided to book the tickets before 15 days. Okay, so Ria father booked the tickets because if we book the tickets before 15 days, it's possibility that we will got the confirmed tickets. That's why Ria father booked the tickets before 15 days. Now suddenly what happens, students, before 2 days of journey, Jia fall ill and doctor advised him that you have to take complete rest you have to take, and I'm not allowing you to go in any kind of journey. Okay, so by hearing this, Jia family have to cancel their plan, है ना, because their daughter are ill, so how they can go, so they cancel their plan. And both the friends are very sad because they have decided so many things to do in the trip. They have decided this, that, so many things we will do on the trip. But now as Jia is not coming, Ria is also very sad and both the friends are very sad and sitting together. Suddenly Jia got one idea. She told Ria that please don't be upset yaar. We can do one thing. You can write each and everything in your diary. तुम सब कुछ अपनी डायरी में लिख सकती हो. You can click some photos, you can make some videos, and when you will come back, we will read that diary, we will see that pictures and videos, and we can enjoy at that time also. Ria agreed that yes, it's a nice idea. We can do that. Okay, so Ria went her home. She got one notebook and pen and put in her bag. Okay. Now the journey is started. Now we are reading the diary of Ria, what she has written in her diary. Okay, now the journey is started. Now after taking the dinner, they went to the station with the help of auto. They went to Gandhidham railway station, and after some time their train arrived. They saw that some passengers are sitting in the train. Now the departure time of train is 7:50. The name of their train is Kutch Express. Okay, they went towards their coach and they saw that there are so many people standing near the gate. People are pushing each other. So many pushing is there. They are pushing each other everywhere. Someone is want to come out, someone want to go in the train. So there are so many crowd near the door, but they have to go. Train में तो चढ़ना था. So they also went there and they also started keeping their luggage inside the train. But there are so many pushing is there. Each and everyone is pushing everyone. Suddenly her father shouted that okay, relax. Train will stop here for 10 to 15 minutes. No need to do this thing. Don't be in so hurry. Relax. सबको easily हम अंदर चले जाएंगे. ट्रेन यहाँ पर रुकेगी 15 to 20 minutes. Finally they came in the train. They got their seats. They kept their luggage in the proper place and they seated on their seat. Mother and Ria got the seat near the window and Himaksh and father got the middle seat. Okay. There is one family also. Ria thought that they have boarded the train from the previous station. Okay, they are also having two children at the same age of Ria and Himaksh. Okay, now what? After some time, ticket collector came and checked our ticket to see if we are in proper seats or not. ठीक है, टिकट कलेक्टर आया, उन्होंने हमारी टिकट चेक करी देखने के लिए क्या हम प्रॉपर सीट्स पर बैठे हैं या नहीं. Okay, now after 1 hour, our train stopped on one station. The name of the station is Samyakadi Junction. Okay, 1 घंटे बाद हमारी ट्रेन एक स्टेशन पे रुकी and the name of that station is Samyakadi Junction. Now I asked father why there is junction written with the name of station. I have not seen any station where this junction is written. Why junction is written here with the name of station? So father explained her, because from this station two tracks are separating, railway tracks are separating. That's why junction is written here. One track will go to Ahmedabad and second one will go to Palanpur. Okay, so train departed after 2 to 3 minutes. Yeah, they are Ria is sitting near the window, and at that time father showed me that look outside. You can see that full white ground is there. This is the small desert of Kutch. It's look like that someone has spread white bedsheet there. कैसा दिख रहा था कि किसी ने वहाँ पर वाइट बेडशीट लगा दी हो, ऐसा लग रहा था। वो क्या था? वो था स्मॉल डेजर्ट ऑफ कच्छ। कच्छ का एक स्मॉल डेजर्ट था जहाँ पर सॉल्ट बनता है, इसलिए वहाँ पर पूरा वाइट वाइट दिख रहा था। तो अभी ट्रेन बहुत फास्ट चल रही थी। दे आर ऑन वन ब्रिज। आजू बाजू उनको व्हीकल्स दिख रहे थे, लाइट्स दिख रही थी कभी ब्लिंक होती हुई। एंड फादर सडनली आस्क्स मी दैट व्हाट इज़ द नेम ऑफ दिस ब्रिज, डू यू नो द नेम ऑफ दिस ब्रिज? एंड फादर टोल्ड अस दिस इज़ द सूरजभरी ब्रिज। ओके, दिस इज सूरजभरी ब्रिज. This is the entrance of Kutch. Father told us that this is the entrance of Kutch. Okay. He said that when this bridge was not there, all the trains of Ahmedabad used to go via Palanpur. That used to take much time. Now what he is saying that before this bridge, जब तक ये ब्रिज नहीं था तब तक सब ट्रेन्स को पालनपुर से होके आना पड़ता था और उसमें बहुत ज़्यादा टाइम लगता था. Then Riya asked that Palanpur, last station जहाँ पर ट्रैक सेपरेट होते हैं, that पालनपुर? Father said yes, that पालनपुर. वहाँ से वाया पालनपुर होके अहमदाबाद आना पड़ता था, उसमें बहुत टाइम लगता था. बट नाउ द ब्रिज इज़ कंस्ट्रक्टेड, सो टाइम कम लगता है. ओके, ट्रेन जो है वो डायरेक्ट आ जाती है. नाउ इट वॉज 11 at night. फादर टोल्ड अस टू स्लीप. पापा ने बोला अभी सो जाओ. मम्मी ने हमारी बेडशीट्स लगा दी हमारी सीट के ऊपर और हम टॉयलेट से आकर वापस सोने के लिए रेडी थे. ओके, बट नींद नहीं आ रही थी. सोने का ट्राई बहुत किया. आई ट्राई टू स्लिप बट आई वॉज नॉट एबल टू स्लिप. मुझे नींद नहीं आ रही थी. देन मैंने देखा कि हमारे पास वाली सीट के पास भी एक फैमिली है ना. हमारे पास वाली सीट के पास एक फैमिली थी, उसमें भी मेरे जैसी ही उनकी एक डॉटर थी, उसको भी नींद नहीं आ रही थी. सो आई आस्क्ड हर दैट व्हाट्स योर नेम. So she told me that her name was Fiona. She is having so many story books. So I told her that can I borrow one story book from you? So she has given me one story book. I start reading that story book and I felt slept. Okay, story read करते करते ही मैं सो गई. Suddenly मेरी आँख खुली. Suddenly मैं उठी. मैंने देखा there are so many lightings coming from window. मैं विंडो के पास जाके बैठ गई. ऐसे लग रहा था कि बहुत बड़ी सारी सिटी आई है, बिकॉज देर आर सो मैनी लाइटिंग्स, बिग बिल्डिंग्स, होटल, रेस्टोरेंट, सो मैनी थिंग, ब्यूटिफुल सीन. आई हैव नॉट सीन एनी दिस थिंग इन गांधीधाम, बट दिस इज सच अ ब्यूटिफुल सिटी. एटमॉस्फेयर इज सो कूल, साइलेंट. ओके, इट वॉज वेरी गुड टू सी दिस थिंग. She has taken the pictures from her mother mobile. She have made the videos also. Okay, now the train stopped. Now the name of this city is Ahmedabad. Okay, this train stopped at Ahmedabad. Now as you know the atmosphere of station is very loud, है ना. बहुत नॉइज़ होती है स्टेशन पर. हॉकर्स जो होते हैं वो अपना अलग अलग आवाज़ में लोगों को बुला रहे होते हैं. चाय गरम, गरम गरम भजिया, पूरी शाक, ऐसे करके वो लोगों को अपने स्टॉल्स के पास बुला रहे होते हैं. तो बहुत ज़्यादा नॉइज़ था वहाँ पर. फादर और मैं भी नीचे उतरे क्योंकि ट्रेन यहाँ पे 20 to 25 मिनट्स रुकने वाली थी. पापा ने बोला चलो नीचे उतरते हैं, वाटर बॉटल फिल करके लेके आते हैं. तो हम नीचे उतरे. We have seen that there is so many crowd on the platform. Passengers are going here and there. They are buying something from hawkers. We have seen the people wearing red uniforms, carrying the goods of passenger. They are कूली, जिनको हम बोलते हैं कूली. ओके, वो लोग क्या करते हैं, हमारा सामान उठाकर एक जगह से दूसरी जगह रख देते हैं. देयर वॉज सम इम्पॉर्टेंट अनाउंसमेंट ऑन द माइक. सम पैसेंजर्स वर वेटिंग फॉर देयर ट्रेन. सो ये सारा जो सिनेरियो था वो रिया ने अहमदाबाद स्टेशन पर देखा. ओके, बट आई वॉज इन्जॉइंग. उसको बहुत मज़ा आ रहा था. दे टुक बनानाज एंड चीकू फ्रॉम हॉकर्स एंड गॉट इन टू द ट्रेन. हमने बनाना एंड चीकू लिए और फिर हम ट्रेन में चढ़ गए. एंड by the time the train started, we ate bananas and चीकू. ट्रेन स्टार्ट हो चुकी थी तब तक. हमने चीकू एंड बनाना खाए, फिर वॉशरूम जाकर आए और फिर आकर सो गए थे. बट मम्मी पापा तो सो गए, बट हमें तो नींद आ ही नहीं रही थी. वी आर नॉट फीलिंग स्लीपी. So we asked that girl Fiona that let's play something, let's play the board games. We are having snake and ladders game. If you want to play, you can come and play with us. So 3 of us started playing. Okay, Fiona, me and Himaksh started playing. Now after some time the train arrived at Nadiyad where Fiona had to get down. Fiona said bye to us and then I and Himaksh went to sleep. थोड़े टाइम बाद नाडियाड स्टेशन आया जहाँ पर फियोना को उतरना था. फियोना ने हमको बाय बोला और उसके बाद मैं और हिमाक्ष सोने चले गए थे. So this is the journey of Riya. Okay, this is the journey of Riya. Chapter number 6, Riya's journey. Our chapter is completed here. I hope you got the chapter. Thank you so much, students.